75 birds vocabulary. Birds names vocabulary in English with pictures. 19. Parrot, seagull, hummingbird, bulbul, pigeon, magpie, northern gannet, stork, trogon, northern gannet, nuthatch, water hen, swallow, blue jay, kookaburra, Gambel's quail, kiwi, Reggiana bird, bubbler, black drongo, Jacobin coco, Maina, magnificent, bee eater, sunbird, sparrow, lyrebird, Baya weaver or tailor bird, crown pigeon, golden oriole, peacock, canary, macaw, falcon, common pheasant, blackbird, wood duck, falcated duck, grey teal, woodpecker, finch, toucan, greater cockle, cockatoo, parakeet, red cardinal, snow bunting, vulture, robin, flamingo, albatross, penguin, pelican, arctic tern, ostrich, fairy wren, cormorant, Atlantic puffin, starling, coco, dove, kingfisher, bulbul, pigeon, nightingale, parrot, seagull, crow, owl, hawk, swan, eagle, crane, heron, goose, duck, hen, cock, turkey. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.